Hello, everybody. Welcome to Bell CB. Doing a tune-up report or a radio report. We didn't do a tune-up on the President Richard. This is for James in Ohio. All right, take it to Richard. We're going to bring out the power all the way down. All the way down is about 2.5. And all the way up. Let's go to the next scale. 10's right there. So we're looking at about 12 all the way up. Peak power on the peak power meter, 50 watt slug. We're reading power in the middle scale there. Audio check, 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 check. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio. Okay, and on FM, get up to like 30, 35, and there's FM. I pressed the band button by mistake, so you gotta go through a billion bands. We're back. Okay. It was mode I should have hit. There we go. Nice little radio here. Let's check it out a little bit. Mode button, echo. Have your instruction book handy when you're trying to adjust your echo and stuff. High cut. Get the basic controls you like on the front though. Volume, squelch, power. Mic gain, RF gain. Doesn't make you go to the menu for too much. So that's cool. Alright. Want to hear it on here? Brager 19 for radio check. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.